Sanibonani, ninjani? Right of it. It's a unique style of dance that you guys are bringing into a competition. You know, we don't normally have a lot of zangoma dances or dance routines coming to a competition. So you guys are one of a kind, and you are unique in your own style, and the way you bring it and the energy that you bring on stage is superb. Now here's me being strict. You danced, energy was insane. There's a backtrack that is playing there. So if you as dancers come on stage and not listen to what you came with, which is your backtrack, and don't sync the footsteps with the backtrack, it will make us feel like this thing is irritating. You understand? Even though you guys know that when you rehearsed at your rehearsal room, it was actually nice. But when you come on stage and you lose or sound off beat, it makes the dance sound like Nathan Rezangagas. It was like and you guys are not syncing with the backtrack. You understand what I'm saying? The energy was good, the costume is on point. And another thing, now what? So it's also important that your props, your costumes stay tight on you, not falling off. Unfortunately, this is Peggy Lele's. Your performance is good, no doubt, but was it good enough to take you through? Asaz, Sobonako, Siabo.
Okay? I'm the only one who's missing out. You see, I don't have that black thing on my head. So next time. Thank you so much. Give them a round of applause.